This 2025 CrossRoads Zinger 18QB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 21 feet 5 inches in length and features Sleep 7, air conditioning, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, awning, microwave, auxiliary battery, self-contained, refrigerator, water heater, smoke detector, and 21 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 CrossRoads Zinger 18QB is 3,260 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.